I'm going to do my first product review, and it's for MN Me Now eyeliner. They're super tiny. I have to admit that. It's nice, it's creamy, but there's just not enough. Like I said, they're just like really small. And I'll take them out of the package so you guys can see them. Looks like with the cap on. Let me tell you, you have more cap than you got product. See if I can get it in my fingers. I'm trying to hold my camera. This right here is when you go to the store and you buy yourself some more eyeliner because you know you're running out. And for it to be just bought, video for you guys of like one of like the makeup looks that I do that I'll post on my site. And my look. If you want to try to find the website, just go ahead and type it in, but make sure you put 13 after Get My Look book, Get My Look 13, and yeah. Otherwise, stay tuned for more YouTube videos. Bye. Love you guys.